everybody. This is Sana. That is exactly what I'm going to talk about. Why do we get hiccups? Usually, when we eat too much or too quickly, or when we get nervous, the diaphragm at the bottom of our chest spasms, jerking air into our throat, makes the hiccup sound. How do we get rid of hiccups? This doesn't work for everyone, but here are some common techniques. 1. Drink a glass of cold water. 2. Hold your breath for 10 seconds. 3. Put sugar under your tongue. 4. Tickle the roof of your mouth with your tongue. Do you know that there was a farmer named Charles Osborne? He hiccuped every day for nearly 70 years. Can you believe? Bye-bye.